So we're now going to deal with density, and we're going to deal with how we transpose. So density is equal to mass over volume, and we denote that with m over v. The density of an object can be determined via water displacement, which is what we see here. We can drop an irregular shaped object inside of some water, a predetermined amount of water, and once that object is dropped in there, the change or displacement in water will give you an idea of the object's volume. In this case, the object's volume would be 100, because 200 minus 100 will give you 100 centimeters cubed, right? So that would be the volume. However, volume doesn't have to be determined via water displacement. If you have a regular shaped object, such as the block we have here, we can find the volume of this block by determining length, by breadth, by height, right? So all you could just say width, breadth, height, all of that. Once you measure this length, this length, this length, that will be your volume, right? And so you would have this will be regular shaped, and this will be via displacement. Now, what if we have here rho is equal to m over v? We know what rho is equal to, but suppose we are not looking for rho. Suppose we're looking for volume. Well, if you're looking for volume, you put rho over 1 and you just transpose. Rho goes down and volume will go up, and so you would have m over rho. The 1 will come up as well if you want it to come up. That'll be times 1, which will eventually give you m over rho, which is awesome. Suppose you wanted to solve for m. Well, we already know that m is over v, which is equal to rho. And once m is in the numerator, we don't have to move it, but we have to move the friend. Anything in the denominator must be moved across upwards. Anything in the denominator, you move diagonally and up. If something was here, we move it diagonally and up. So since we have v in the denominator, we move it up. Anything by itself is always over 1. So therefore, mass will be equal to rho times v. And so we have our two equations. We have v equals to mass over rho, and m equals to rho times v. Isn't that cool? So rho is equal to m over v, v is equal to m over rho, and m is equal to rho times v. Awesome.